Use manual, so you gotta push the M.
Yep.
Do you see
We're
it?
in M1, yep.
Okay.
There we are.
All right. So we're gonna have to make sure that we're clear to pull out. So pull your hands down.
Okay.
That's why those paddles are there. What gear are you in? Second? Third?
Third.
Okay, we got a car coming, so let's hold up. Let's hold up.
We got a car coming? Oh, we got the black one. Yeah, we're gonna be in the
Let
apex.
them go
Okay.
by.
We'll let them go by.
So let's put it in fourth gear. Right? Tight. And then fine. Let it unwind. Sounds like we're in third gear. Right. The third gear, I think, is too. It's good. I'm gonna tell you when to shift.
Yeah, okay.
Squeeze the gas.
We're in third now, right?
We should be fourth.
Sorry. Downshift?
No.
Fourth?
What gear are you in?
Four.
Okay, just keep it at fourth. I'm gonna tell you when to shift.
Okay.
I'm a control freak that way. Third brake, downshift to third. Straight up the hill.
Yep.
Don't hit the car in front of us.
Second?
No.
Oh, sorry. Are you telling me when to shift or am I going for it?
Well, you seem to be doing your own thing anyways. I don't think second gear is necessary.
We gotta slow down, I gotta.
Right? Okay, remember, we're not trying to win the race at the first lap. Brake, downshift to third. Just about turned in too early there. Should be fourth gear. Are you in fourth?
I'm in third still.
Yeah, fourth gear through here.
Okay.
Let's follow, let's hit our marks. Third gear is way too high in the RPMs through there. You're almost at red line.
Fourth all the way?
This is all fourth through here.
Okay.
It's gonna make the car more stable instead of being twitchy. So
Okay.
we shouldn't be racy. We need to make sure we brake before our turn,
Okay.
not as we're entering.
Alright. I'll do that here.
Two is the one where I want you to make sure you do.
Oh, okay,
Two is the one where you can go off. Well, you can go off in all of them. That's the one that can have the most repercussions. Off the brake. Off the brake. Brake, downshift to third. Straight up there. Brake,
Oh, nice.
right out. Crank it in there. Yep.
Can I pass him?
Not without a signal. Okay. Sometimes we're just gonna have to be patient.
I know. Not my strong suit.
Well, you're gonna have to learn it. It's not mine either. Fourth gear, brake, 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 brake. That's the brake. Brake, downshift to third. Okay, on the gas. Gas, 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 gas.
Oh, nice, Frank.
Oh, that was nicely done.
Fourth here?
Yeah, brake, brake, brake. Brake, maintain. Nice and smooth, Frank. I can tell you're on the gas. You can be on the gas at the exit, not at the, or at the apex. Just maintain. Brake, 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 brake. Where's that apex?
Right here.
No brake. Let the car unwind. Next apex. Right in there. car pointed where you want it to go, you could be on the gas hard.
Okay.
That's at the apex.
Okay. Feel the seatbelts, eh? Those
Yeah,
are
you know
awesome.
why? Do you know why I did that? Because the car did. Let's go. The car wasn't happy with you. It's going like, holy jeez, what's this person doing?
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, brake. Remember, it's not just about going fast. We have to have the technique perfect. Right? Listen to me. Are you listening?
Yep.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit of
Oh no, I'm
redness.
listening, but I'm going to concentrate.
Yeah, but it's not just about going as fast as you can go.
Okay.
If you're missing your marks, don't look at me, then we're not in the safe spot.
Right.
So it's not good. So precision equals going fast. In fourth gear.
Yep.
Precision. Brake. Third gear. Okay, get it in there. On the gas. Gas, gas, gas. Hard, 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 hard. Brake. Get it in there. Gas, gas, gas. Look at all the racetrack you have when you get that line right.
Yeah.
But also, the faster you go, the harder you have to brake. So brake, 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 brake. Off the brake. Maintain. Maintain. Not accelerating. Maintain. You're accelerating before the apex.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Brake, 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 brake. Start to bring it over. There's that apex. Maintain through here. Maintain. Let it unwind. Get it right back in. You get. See, you're on the gas
Another
again.
apex, sorry.
We missed the apex because we were on the gas. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Brake. Brake. Literally here. Brake. Downshift to third. Straight up the hill. Straight up. At the top, brake. I don't want to hit this car.
We're going to get a
Okay,
signal.
let's go. Mr.
Okay,
Patience! Brake, 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 brake. Fourth gear. You can carry a lot of speed through here. Get it over, brake, downshift. Okay, gas, full throttle here. Brake. Get in there. Okay, brake, 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 brake. Off the brake. No gas, no acceleration till that apex. Squeeze. Oh, so much nicer. Car's happier.
Yeah.
Okay, brake, 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 brake. Get it in there. Maintain. Don't forget about the second apex. Get to that apex. Gas, 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 gas. Brake, 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 brake. Oopsies, why? Trying to scare me?
I know the track pretty well. Frank, you want to pit this time?
We missed that apex. Yeah, we should come in if you're gonna let
Okay.